Hey guys, I got this printer at a Goodwill thrift store. This is what it looks like. This is exactly how it was on the shelf. You can see that it's a bit dusty. I haven't even touched it. I haven't cleaned it or anything, just so I could show you how I got it. And let's see if we can make it work, make it look nice. See what's wrong with it, why it was donated. Most of the times the printers are donated because people don't want to throw them away, or they can't legally throw them away into the trash. They have to recycle it and sometimes pay a fee for it. So the best way is just to take it to Goodwill, and somebody might find it at a good deal. I only got paid $7.99 for it, and sometimes if there's some sale going on, you can get it at 50% off or whatever. So I would get printers like this sometimes at $4. And you clearly know that this is a good printer. It's worth well over $100, even used, if it's in good working condition. This is a Canon TR8520. I'm not sure if they still sell these new as of now, as of October 2024, but I'll check that online. Similar model is still sold. It has a 5, I believe, ink cartridge system. So let's take a look at it together and see if we can use it. So I removed all the, oh, see, that's something that you got to check for. Seems like I removed all tape, but there's a piece of tape right here that could cause some problems in your printer if it gets inside of it. I, for now, just want to see what we have inside. Okay, looks like we have the ink cartridges in there. Here they are. The ink cartridges are not genuine Canon. So my instant thought is that it probably gave some problems to this printer, even though I do use aftermarket ink cartridges, but could have been a bad batch or something, or it ran out, didn't tell the printer that the ink is low and caused some sort of an error. Let's plug it in and let's hope that it doesn't have a printhead error. This one actually came with the cord, but this is a very generic power supply cord. The power supply is built into the printer, so it plugs in right there. Okay, let's see what the printer says. I'm going to close the top cover. Let's turn the printer on. Turns on. That's already a good sign. Going to get some paper towels and start cleaning it while it turns on. Oh, looks like there isn't any errors. That's awesome. It's a pretty cool screen. I've had this printer before. I have some other videos. I did a printhead removal on this, but I'll work some more. I'm happy that it doesn't show me any errors. A lot of times people will get rid of them because of the B200 error, as you know. It's when the printhead is out, and printheads on these are worth at least $50. So I do clean them and sometimes sell them, sell the printheads used. I don't have any right now when I'm making the video, but that's something that you may think about going thrifting, seeing if there's parts that people may want to buy. I've sold trays off of this one. I sold this tray. I may have some listings in my eBay store from a similar printer. A control panel I would usually sell. This feeder right here, the back tray breaks a lot on these models. It doesn't just break on its own. It's usually when they're open like this here, and it would just break off by somebody mishandling the printer or throwing something there. Even though it's not really important, this tray is the one that's important, the one at the bottom here. So just kind of letting you know, if you want to make some money, that's how I do it with my eBay store. Printheads and power supplies are the most expensive things on this. And the other thing is, for home printers like this, manufacturers, they don't sell parts usually. They will sell some printheads because those go out and they are easy to replace. Check out my video on how to do that. Well, first let's check the ink cartridge levels. Let's go to settings, estimated ink levels. They're all showing pretty low. Let me just clean this thing up, because it is pretty dirty. Just get rid of all this dust here. It's a lot of dust. Okay. While I'm doing that, I could ask you to don't forget to like this video if it's useful for you or entertaining. Subscribe to my channel, and also check out another channel where I review all sorts of things that I get on Amazon. Call it with the cheesy name Unboxington, but I don't know. There's so many different YouTube names out there. I just had to think of something weird. So check that out. I have the link below. So let's go ahead and load some paper and see what the print quality is. So let's see. Here's my paper. Another thing is make sure that it's set to the proper size. On this one, it's all the way to the very end. A4 is the longest paper setting that I see on here. Oh well, I only use letter size paper. Okay, loaded that in there. Let's put the cover back. Just slide it in there. Okay, this is the tray that catches the paper. Let's clean that up too. Cool. I think we're ready. Okay, let's go to settings. Maintenance. And print nozzle check pattern. Go ahead and say yes. That should show us which color is good, which color is bad. Okay, and it printed a blank page. That means either the ink cartridges are dry and empty, or the print head is clogged, or it could be both. Okay, so since it printed it out, let's go ahead and remove the ink cartridges and check those out. A lot of the aftermarket inks, I see that these are clear, so you can see the ink levels in them. It really is empty. You see that there's not a drop of ink in there, just the sponge is with, I mean, it's got ink, but it's not going to put anything out. So you can see all of them are very dry. So that could be our problem. Or it could be also a dried up print head. Luckily, I do have a set. I mean, I usually have a lot of ink, but I have a new set of genuine, actually, Canon cartridges for this printer. I hope it's not like set up or anything where, no, it's standard ink. So I'm going to go ahead and put the ink cartridges in there. Okay, when putting the new ink cartridge in, make sure you remove the tab. See where it says pull. Aftermarket inks will have the same, just to open the air hole right here, and then the rest of the packaging needs to be removed as well. And of course, this plastic cap just comes out right there. And just go ahead and slide. This is the photo black, and you will see on the screen, it'll light up that it's there. Okay, so now after replacing the ink cartridges, let's go ahead and try printing the nozzle check again. Oh, wow. Wow. So that's all it needed was, I didn't even clean the print head. So all colors, oh wow. This printer is ready to go. This is the total amount of pages that it has printed on this unit, which is 232. It's practically a new printer. This is awesome. Wow. And I only paid $8 for it, maybe even less if it was on sale. I just can't remember. It's been about a month since I bought it. But yeah, so it just needed new ink cartridges. You can get a set of ink cartridges aftermarket, for example, for under 10 not $10, but under $20 for all 5 of them. So I'll post the link on Amazon where I'm gonna buy another set for this one. But there's plenty of manufacturers that do the aftermarket ink, and then also there's of course the genuine Canon brand. I'm gonna say Olay, and those cost approximately $70. So yeah, check out the link below in the description. This one, I'd say a great find. If you do this, you can sell used printer. This one is going to be worth about $100 plus shipping, maybe even more. People love these because the ink cartridges are inexpensive if you go with the aftermarket route. They work very well. They do very good photos, great prints. It's a wireless printer. You can also use it hardwired to your PC. So this is a great unit. Let me just clean this up so it looks very nice. I'm going to remove the sticker. I really would like to know what your experience was with these printers, or with any printer that you found, because I've been doing this for a while. I did run across many different models. Some I was able to repair and list on eBay. So I removed the adhesive residue with the alcohol swab. I'll show you what I do. Goodwill does some marking on, like, I guess it's for people not to change the price, which is fair. I think I've seen items in thrift stores where you can see it was like a $30 item. It would have like 2 stickers on them, and one would be like $4 or whatever. But that's why they mark it with something. Where if it was $7.99, and they would just mark 08. That means $8. That's here in the Chicagoland area, Goodwill. I would use this type of stuff, like a spray gel, but I would just spray some on just a tiny bit on the paper towel on here, and that stuff is very good. Just regular cleaner won't work for this. It needs to dissolve this marker or whatever they're using. See, it's gone. Clean this up. Clean this oily cleaner off as well. And the inside of the document feeder. See how that feeder works. See, yeah, the rollers even here are good. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching this video as I went through the rehab of this printer. Made it work. Very happy with this purchase. I hope you find a great deal somewhere. Just go around thrifting or look on Marketplace online. Sometimes people will give it away for free. Check it out. Maybe it just needs a little tune-up. Thank you once again for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and have yourself a great day.